Hello mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, kamusta kayo dyan? Sana po kayo okay lang kayo. So, well, life goes on. Let's see. Let's see kung anong ganap sa ating ka-UVG Collective. Okay, so let's see. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Laking tulong. Maraming salamat po. Okay. So, let's see. Anong ganap sa ating mga ka-UVG Collective? Wala po tayong gender sa energy, so bahala na po kayo mag-decipher. So, tingnan natin. Meron kang Knight of Swords. Fast movement. Okay. Meron kang the Five of Pentacles. Feeling drain. Let's see. Feeling left out, feeling abandoned. Feeling, tingnan natin muna. Susunod. Feeling isolated. Ten of Wands. Nyari, Virgo. Eight of Swords. Nagko-contemplate pa lang ako kanina, lumabas na to, Eight of Swords, tsaka Ace of Cups. So, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, okay, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Pero Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and Ten of Wands. Merong gustong with the Three of Swords. Virgo, be careful lang sa finances mo, okay? Pero ika-clarify ko pa each card para makita natin ang bigger picture. Okay. So, nakita ko dito, may gustong pumatong ng responsibility sa iyo eh. Gustong, merong gustong mag-take over ng finances or kung ano man ang ano mo eh, ang income mo. Sa tatlong card na to, wait lang. Kasi ito nafe-feel kong energy sa tatlong to eh. Merong gustong maglagay sa'yo na ipasa sa'yo ang responsibilidad. Okay. Knight of Swords, communication wala sa ulo. Clarify ko nga muna. Okay. May Three of Swords tayo eh, so heartbroken. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw or the person nagagawa sa'yo nito. Okay. Clarify ko nga, na-excite ako. Clarify ko muna. Mukhang interesting tong energy na to. Clarify the Knight of Wands. Knight of Swords, sorry. Knight of Swords for my collective. Yan gustong ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. You know what I mean, Virgo? Okay. Hanggang sa mawalan ka na. Hanggang may gusto ditong makitang pero hindi ko alam kung ang overall energy natin is yung Three of Swords is energy mo or energy. May feeling defeated dito eh. Feeling heartbroken. Okay. So, let's see. May gustong ipataw sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Work department, family department, love department, career department. Okay, so tingnan natin. Just take out, resonate, Virgo. Okay. Kung hindi ka siya, wag pilitin. Okay, so better luck next time sa mga hindi makaka-resonate. Basta ang energy na 'to na nakikita ko may gustong ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Okey. Clarify the Knight of Wands, ay bakit ako Knight of Wands lang Knight of Wands? Knight of Swords. Clarify the Knight of Swords. Hangman. Tsaka 6, Give me more. Eight of Swords, stuck. 3 of Cups. Clarify the 6 of Wands. 2 of Cups. 10 of Wands. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, okay. Kung ikaw ang person na merong third party dito, 2 of Cups to the 3 of Cups, okay. So, sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay. Meron ditong couple. Merong couple dito na balak ipasa sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. 10 of Wands, 10 of Wands. Okay, 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, together with the 8. Naiinis ako. Ba't ako naiinis? Parang nafe-feel ko yung energy mo, Virgo. Okay. Sa nakikita ko dito, merong third party dito, 3 of Cups, 2 of Cups to the 10 of Wands. Gustong ipasa sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Okay. Okay. Meron silang perspective dito with the Hangman. Okay. Na i-trap ka with the 8 of Swords. Okay. Hindi ko alam, clarify more the 6 of Wands. Nasa public ay to, well-known na kabit. Okay. Basta meron ditong well-known na kabit. Okay, na itong kabit na to, ayoko manghusga. 9 of Wands, 7 of Swords, definitely. Virgo, sa nakikita ko talaga dito, sorry lang sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time. Pero meron pong couple dito, may third party. Okay. Gustong ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Definitely. Okay, nasa public ay ito. 6 of Wands. Okay. So, siguro meron silang mentality na magiging successful yung plano nila. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung meron kang siblings, baka meron kang anak or what na nasa poder, or I don't know. Basta merong something na responsibilidad specifically na gustong ibigay sa'yo lahat, okay? And naka-public tong nila, relationship nila. Okay. So Virgo, kung merong someone na inilagay ka sa third party, okay? This person, itong dalawang taong to, nag-uusap sila, na ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. This is very sneaky. Okay. So, strategically, nag-i-strategy yung dalawa dito para lang ito ang ma-feel mo. Mag-stay ka. Yung finances mo, okay. Yung finances mo is hindi mag-grow. Yung finances mo is like hindi ko ma-explain. Kasi ang nakukuha kong energy dito, siguro maganda ang posisyon mo sa trabaho. Okay. Or siguro, may nakikita din ako ditong abusive eh. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, merong energy na magko-communicate sa'yo na makikipag-transact regarding sa responsibilidad. Okay. So, andun yung mga questioning. Pero be careful sa communication sa mga binibitawan mong salita kasi itong taon to gagamitin niya against you. Okay. So, with the 7 of Swords and the 9 of Swords, I think magiging defeated to. Okay. Kung ano man ang gusto nilang mangyari, back to the sender. Kumbaga, ibig ko sabihin, you will not take bullshit dito, Virgo. Kasi, tingnan natin, clarify more. Hindi ko alam either way to ham, maaaring ikaw or taong connected sa'yo. Okay, with the Empress card in the reverse lumabas. So, beach energy yan. Meron ditong nagsusulsul. Sulsul to eh. Tell me more. May nagsusulsul dito eh. Kung gusto ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad, Virgo, it depends on you paano mo i-handle. Okay. Pero I think hindi mag-workout eh. Hindi mag-workout kung anong gusto nilang mangyari. Knight of Cups. Seven of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Together with the King of Pentacles. Sinasabi ko nga sa'yo regarding sa finances to. At saka, basta responsibilities din. Ang Empress card kasi, alam mo naman kung ano ang ibig sabihin nito. Lahat ng kagandahan ng Empress opposite lahat. Pero with the confusing card, daydream, puro lang haka-haka to. I mean, confusing din at the same time kasi bakit? Meron silang pinaplano. I think plano pa lang to eh. With the Six of Pentacles. Ang nakikita ko dito, back to the sender. Yun na lang ang gawin mo since meron ka ng idea na merong gustong magbigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. This is a third party situation. Kung merong person, 2 of Cups to the 3 of Cups, kung merong person na naglagay sa'yo sa third party and they are on public, Virgo, sinasabi ko sa'yo, itong beach energy, kung sino man yung nagsusulsul sa partner mo before, I mean ex, let's just say. Okay. Sa ex mo na gustong ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad which is dapat ang settlement ng responsibilidad nyo sa bawat isa kung meron man kayong naging anak or meron man kayong mga, let's say, properties or mga pag-aari or bank or I don't know kung anong meron kayo. Basta something with the ex and this third person, naka-public sila in fairness. Okay. So, lahat ng responsibilidad, nag-uusap sila, nagsusulsul yung isa, ibigay sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? So, I think, meron nagsasabi dito na okay lang naman sa'yo kasi meron kang stable ka naman or I don't know kung anong career meron ka sa ngayon. Okay, pero meron kang disposisyon sa buhay. So, I think, uh, be careful lang sa communication incoming. Okay, maaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap. So, let me know in the comment below. Hindi na ako magda-dive deep dito kasi baka may makita pa akong hindi ka nice. Kasi merong 3 of Cups, 3 of Swords dito. 3 of Swords, 3 of Cups, 2 of Cups, definitely third party. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin third party kasi hindi naman lahat ng third party is third person. Pwedeng work din, pwedeng busy lang on something or family. Let's just say, ang third party hindi specifically bad. Pero sa lagay ng cards na to, 3 of Swords, 3 of Cups, 2 of Cups, responsibility. Mag-isip na tayo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito together with the 7 of Cups, 9 of Swords, 7 of Swords, stealing, lying, cheating, definitely third party. So, third party like a third person. You know what I mean? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang 5 of Pentacles. Basta sa tatlong card to na kanina, nakita ko, merong gustong ipataw sa'yo lahat ng responsibilidad. Ay, Virgo. So, use your own discernment. Okay, use your alertness. Maging alisto. Okay, lalo na yung communication mo. Be careful sa communication mo kasi gagamitin against you. So, yeah, yun lang nakikita ko dito. Kung ano man ang mga sinishare mong mga plans, something makikitaan nila ng with the 6 of Pentacles, very open, very generous na makikitaan nilang ganun ka. Abuso ang dating nito. Talagang, ganun kaya mo, sige, i-ano natin. Don't be too much, Virgo. kailangan mo din maging close up or bigyan mo na lang sila ng mixed emotion or mixed signal na okay, hindi kind of thing. Sila ang confusing mo na lang instead na ikaw ay confuse nila. Kasi ang pakay lang naman nila dito is ibigay sa yung responsibilidad which is I don't know what kind of responsibility is that. Okay, so tignan natin sa second row. Okay, with the King of Pentacles, so you're very grounded. Grounded on doing something very stable or ini-establish mo yung sarili mo or yung finances mo dito. Which is ang gusto nilang makita, maging drain ka. Actually, sa responsibility, kasi ang 10 of Wands din para sa akin is mastery. So, wala ng 11, wala ng 12 sa tarot, 10 lang. Okay. Mastery, sisiw sa'yo pero ayaw mo yata eh. With the Three of Swords, Six of Wands, ayaw mong magtagumpay sila or something. Okay. Na hindi, basta yun ang plano dito. May nagpaplano dito na, you know what I mean? Tsaka yung mga words mong binibitawan or mga ideas mo, huwag mong i-share kasi gagamitin yan against you. Okay. Clarify the Five of Pentacles, High Priest in the reverse. Okay. The Sun Guard, Six of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Meron ka ditong hindi nakikita, High Priest. Two of Swords, upright. So, Two of Swords is making a decision. Okay. Ang High Priestess mo is baliktad, which is hindi mo sinusunod kung ano sinasabi ng intuition mo, Virgo. You're taking it for granted. So, pay attention. Okay. Hindi lahat ng masaya or hindi lahat ng kumikinang is gold. You know what I mean, Virgo? Hindi lahat ng diamond, pit lang pala ng baso. So, pay attention. Clarify the Ace of Wands. Strength Guard. Lakas ng kutob mo dito with a new beginning. Kaya lang meron kang unexpected. Sabi ko na nga ba, yun saan sasabihin ko, kaya lang naunahan ako. Two of Swords, kailangan mo mag-decision. Meron ka ditong decision making. Actually. Which is akala mo, ang combination kasi ng Sun Guard, Ace of Wands, Strength Guard. Tong tatlong to, passionate ka on something na gawin ang something, gets mo ko? Very motivated ka. Nakaset na talaga sa isip mo. But at the same time, merong High Priest, Five of Pentacles. Nasa underneath tayo ng Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is low vibrational. Together with the High Priest. High Priest, ibig sabihin, ini-ignore mo. May ini-ignore ka dito. Meron kang hindi nakikita. Bakit ko sinabi meron kang hindi nakikita? Two of Swords, nakapiring. So, kailangan mo mag-decision dito. Using your intuition dapat. Pero yung intuition mo is like, kailangan siguro clean your gut, Virgo. Para yung intuition siguro panay inom mo, panay bisyo, kaya hindi mo makita kung kailangan mong pulsuin. Okay. Six of Cups, someone or something from the past. Okay. Masasabi ko rin din merong unexpected dito, Virgo. Pay attention sa gut feeling mo. Kasi nasa underneath tayo ng Five of Pentacles. Kina-clarify lang natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng Five of Pentacles. So, ang ibig sabihin niya is High Priestess in the reverse. High Priestess in the reverse. Meron kang nakikita. Meron kang hindi nakikita, which means nakapiring ka overall energy mo. Three of Swords, Two of Swords. Heartbroken ka, ma-heartbreak ka once na. Hindi lahat ng kumikinang is gold, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko. Use your own discernment, use your intuition dito. Ang advice sa'yo dito is baka kailangan kumain ka ng basta i-google mo na lang kung anong pampaklens ng gut. Meron naman baka puwede lang sa tanglad 'yan or ano, basta ano mo meron ka ditong hindi nakikita. I mean hindi mo masaya siya, okey sige ganito gawin natin. Fine na there is something there na hindi mo nakikita na with the Five of Pentacles magkakaroon ka ng financially basta parang drain. Drain ka dito. Itong mga gagawin mong new beginning, new start, or kung ano pa mang ideas yan with the Ace of Wands ideas, masaya habang ano. Pero with the High Priest, meron kang hindi nakikita. Very unexpected. Mabubulaga ka dito. What? Mapapasabi ka ng, hey, yung pala yun. Clarify the Six of Cups. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng nostalgic energy na para baga matitrigger na naman yung mga bad mistake mo or ay, mga wrong mistake mo. Wrong na nga, mistake pa na ate. Ano mga maling decision making mo before, matitrigger dito with the nostalgic card. Okay. Kasi yung overall energy natin, Three of Swords eh. Kaya hindi ko, kahit i-segue ko, hindi ko pa rin masisegue kasi yun ang mensahe, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Don't shoot the messenger po But with the strength card, ang lakas ng tama mo, motivated ka ditong gawin ang something, project or what, ano ba ang nasa isip mo. But at the end of the day with the Tower card, it's not what you think it is. Two of Swords to the Tower card. Ang Tower card po, it's false foundation which means hindi siya yung iniisip mong siya. It's not what you think it is. So, look at the bigger picture. Lakas ng tama mo dito with the passionate something. You know what I mean? With the Sun Guard, very happy. Pero, take note, nasa Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is financially drained, feeling isolated, you know what I mean, left out in the cold. Magkakaroon ka ng energy na ganun kapag hindi mo nakapa ang intuition mo with the High Priestess in the reverse. Okay. So, pay attention on something here. Tsaka yung sinasabi ko dito na wag mong i-share lahat kasi why is that? Gagamitin yan against you. Dito. Tsaka yung responsibility, kung ano man ang responsibilidad na gustong ipataw sa iyo, it's up to you. But we'll see. Ten of Swords. Ay, Ten of Wands. Clarify the Ten of Wands. Clarify the Ten of Wands. Actually, mastery na to eh. Ten of Wands. Responsibility. Oh, no. It's a no. It's a yes card with the Queen of Swords. It's a yes card. Pero para sa akin, ang energy ng Queen of Swords is cut the BS. Kaya meron tayong Two of Swords kanina. I think you will say no or magkagawa ka. Ang Queen of Swords is very analytical. Ang ganda ng mind niya, very strategical, technique. May mga technique siya daw, mag-handle siya ng situation. Alam niya kung paano i-maneuver. Alam niya kung saan siya lulusot. Alam niya kung anong sasabihin niya, kung kailan siya magsasalita or kung kailan siya hindi magsasalita. At saka observer din ang Queen of Swords. So with the Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Wands clarified by the Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords, ibig sabihin, wise enough ka na sa mga ganitong strategiya. So, it's up to you. Virgo, as I said, it's up to you. Eight of Cups, walking away. No longer serving you. I'm done. Like, dun, 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 dun. Walking away. Tingnan natin. What else? Four of Pentacles in the reverse. Queen and King of Swords. Virgo ba ngayon to? Utakan ng laman nandito. Okay. Four of Pentacles, intention na talaga nitong i-drain ka. Hindi ka makasave. Kailangan kahit sentimo mo is nakalaan sa kung anong responsibilidad. I think mag-walk away ka dito. I don't know kung anong strategy. And the truth, puro swords, Swords is all about the mind. It's all about thoughts. So, ibig sabihin, with the Ace of Swords, King and Queen of Swords, ibig sabihin. Tapos may walking away card. Tapos may Four of Pentacles in the reverse. Hello. So, makikita mo na dito kung I think i-deliver mo dito ang katotohanan. May masasampal ng katotohanan dito with the Three of Swords. Three of Swords, that's why meron heartbroken dito. So, but be careful kasi ang mga words mo is baka mag-impact in a very bad way. I-perceive ba? Okay. But manipulation is here with the Magician card. Ace of Swords, Magician. And the Page of Swords. May nag-i-spy sa'yo dito. Together with the Lover's card. I think connected to sa first row. Kung sino man to, Lover's card is decision making. It doesn't mean, ang Lover's card, divinely guided, in some point, meron kayong connection, meron kayong soul tie, kind of. Kung naniniwala kayo sa mga, ay nakahubad, sorry, kailangan kong takpan. Ang ang the lovers pala. Okay, harmony, relationship, but for me as a reader, decision making na rin. Okay, the lovers. So, Virgo together with the Magician card. May nag-i-spy dito eh. King yan. Four of Swords. I think either way kasi may couple card din tayo, King and Queen of Swords together with the Lovers card. Ibig sabihin, merong isang tao dito na gusto talagang ibigay sa yung responsibilidad, which is yung isa naman is nagmamatigas and yung isa naman is like manipulation then with the Ace of Swords in the Magician card. Tapos meron ka ditong spying card. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-spy or nagtatanong kung ano status, anong update, but straight to the point, ang pinakapunot dulo dito is Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles in the reverse, yung madrain ka talaga. Okay, together with the Eight of Cups. Kailangan mong mag-walk away dito, i-shut down kung sino man to. Okay. So, yun lang nakikita ko. Sana po ay naka-resonate. Bitin ba? Three of Swords ulit. Three of Swords to the Three of Swords. Talagang meron ditong Virgo, sa masasabi ko lang, yung mga words mo, wag mo naman masyadong baka mag-result ng hindi ka nais-nais na mga aksyon. Okay. Kung may gusto kang i-address dito para sa person na magbibigay sa'yo ng kung ano pa man ang mga sakit sa ulong ibibigay sa'yo, be polite. Okay. Kasi meron ako nakikita ditong be polite lang, Virgo. Ace of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Pero I think you can handle it. Kung mag-walk away ka, magsisay no ka, be polite kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari. Kasi kung magiging fighter ka din with the Queen of Swords, pares kayo King and Queen of Swords eh. So pares kayo ng utak. Kung walang magpapakubaba dito regarding sa responsibilidad, lakas ng tamang mangyayari dito. Ang result dito is damay-damay. Meaning to say, no. Hindi naman ako nagbibigay pero wag na natin paabutin sa punto na gano'n. Okay, so be polite lang kung kita mo hyper siya. Mati-trigger ka kasi din dito eh. Mati-trigger ka din dito eh. As I said dito sa second row, just expect some communication. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari na. Just let me know in the comment below about dyan sa energy na yan. Kasi hindi na to Three of Swords to Three of Swords. Oh. Pag ang cards nag-double sa isang lapag, ibig sabihin ang energy is very strong. Tendency talaga 2 days, 3 days may kaganapan. Okay. So, Virgo. Use your own discernment, Virgo, sa mga gustong magdisturbo ng peace mo. Okay, yung hindi mapalagay, lalo na yung mga nagsusulsul dyan. So, dang it. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Anong advice? What is the advice for my Virgo, please? My God, ba't para bagang nasi-CR ako na hindi ko maintindihan. A new start is coming. Let's see. A personal issues reaches resolution. Have faith in your dreams. Together, the end of a tough cycle approaches. So, as I said, meron ka ditong tutuldukan eh. Okay. Either with the Queen of Swords at saka King and Queen of Swords. Either block or either talagang shutdown. Walang communication, kahit ano, social media, anong platform, or hindi na makita yung anino mo or kanto ng buhok mo. Basta meron ako nakikita dito. Hindi ko alam kung nagpaplano kang mag-block or mag-cut off. So, good luck, Virgo, sa communication. Basta the end of a top cycle approaches, which means ikaw ang magbibigay ng tuldok sa sitwasyon na to, kung ano pa man yan. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgos. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, let's see. Google mo siya. Angel message number. Nakakainis. Naiinis tuloy ako. Ano ba yung energy na yun? Meron kang queen, ancestor mo. Lola or something. 4, 10. Gali. 4, 10, 5. 4, 10, 5, Virgo. 410-5, i-google mo siya, angel message number 410-5. So, yun lang may hain ko sa inyo, Virgo. Sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.